Hi, my name's Colin, and today I'm going to talk about how to use Dropboard for Wix. So I am in the Wix editor, site editor here, and I am wanting to add a job board to my page. So I'm going to put it right around here. I'm going to go over on the left side and click on Add Apps, and then Manage Apps. I'm going to find Dropboard in my list, and I'm going to add again, since I've actually already done this on a different page. And we're going to wait a second for it to load, and then I'm going to drag it right where I want it to be. So I'm going to drag it just below this header here and line it up with my other content. So we start off here with no open positions. So I want to start creating my job positions. So I'm going to click on the settings button for this widget and click on manage jobs. And you can do this from your dashboard. So your dashboard will be where you manage all of your jobs, but you can also get to that very easily with what I just showed you from the widget settings. So let's create our first job here. I'm going to pretend this is a coffee shop. So I'm going to create a barista job. For the responsibilities and qualifications piece, each line ends up as a bullet point. And then we'll save our job there. And then I'm going to create one more job. Okay, so now I've got my two jobs that I'm interested in. Sometimes these jobs take a few minutes for them to show up in your live site because we try to optimize your site to be absolutely as fast as it can. Okay, so we're going to close that window, and then the job board is going to refresh in the background here, and we're going to see our two jobs. So I'm going to close the settings panel so we can preview what this actually looks like. So now we can see that we can expand these jobs as just as if we were a job applicant. We can click on the Apply Now button and apply for this job. And in design mode here, when you're in preview mode, you can actually just submit this and see exactly what it's going to look like without actually submitting a resume. Now I want to customize this a little bit to match my site. So I'm going to go back into the settings panel for Dropboard, click on Design, and I can change the accent color to anything I want so I can match my brand a little bit better maybe. So maybe a dark blue. I can give it a background color if I want. I can change the padding of the widget. And then I can customize every bit of text that I need to. So if I want to say apply today, or if I want to change the message when there are no jobs available right now, I can change the thank you message when they submit that application and even the confirmation email. You can use text replacements like the candidate's first name by just copy pasting these items here into these text boxes. And that's all there is to setting this up. So once you're done, you can save or publish those changes if you're ready to publish them onto your live site. And then let's go check it out. And again, it may take a couple minutes for your changes to come live on your website, so give it about 5 to 10 minutes. So here we are here. We got the job openings. We can test them out again. This is the live site, so let's actually try submitting a resume. Your candidates can upload any kind of resume format that they want. So if it's an Office format or Pages format, it's always going to get converted to PDF for you in your inbox. They can include an optional cover letter if they'd like, and then they submit their application to you. And they get their thank you message back that you've customized, and they are done. So let's check out what those emails look like. All right, so here's the email that you'll receive in your inbox. It'll be the application from the candidate. They'll have their resume attached, always in PDF format, no matter what they send. And then if they have a cover letter, it will be included in this email body. And then all you have to do is reply to the candidate to take your next steps. The candidate is going to receive this confirmation email. And again, that's customized to whatever you'd like it to be. Thank you so much. I really hope you enjoyed Dropboard. Please reach out to us if you have any questions. We're more than happy to help and make sure that you're successful. Thanks.